Hello, here we have a question before us here. How do we solve this math challenge? We have m plus n equal to 7 in equation 1 and mn is equal to 7 as equation 2. So what to solve for the value of m and n? This is a very simple algebra. So we take our solution from here. Now, if you look carefully from this expression, we are having this equal to 7 and this equal to 7. If we decide to equate this to this, would that give us something reasonable? Yes, it might give us something reasonable, but here we're going to use a different approach. From equation 1, we want to make our m the subject of the formula. So we can say here from equation 1, we now have our m is equal to 7 minus n. Let's take this as our equation 3 because we have equation 1 and equation 2 already. So from equation 3, we can put equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, so I'll say put equation 3 into equation 2. So if we do that, what would that give us? Look at our equation 2. We know that our m, the n, is equal to what? 7. So whenever we see m, let's put in this expression. So this will now give us here 7 minus n close bracket, our n equal to 7. So we can open up the bracket to give us here our 7n minus n to the power of 2 equal to 7. So if we rearrange, this will give us n to the power of 2, right? Then minus 7n, then plus our 7 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratically, right? Using either the formula method or completely the square. But here, let's use the formula method and see what this gives us in turn. Our formula is n equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? Good. What is our a here? Our a is the coefficient of n squared, which is 1, and our b is the coefficient of n, which is minus 7, and our c is the constant term, which is what? 7 plus 7. So let's go ahead and put all these values into our formula, which is this. So we're going to have here n will now be equal to your minus bracket minus 7 close bracket plus minus the square root of minus 7 all to the power of 2 minus 4 into 1 into 7 close bracket all over 2 into 1. Okay, we can factor out everything here to give us here our 7, the plus minus the square root of 49, the minus 4 times 7 give us 28, right? We have here 28 all over 2. We can carry out this simplification here easy. So this will give us here 7 plus minus the square root of here will give us 21 all over 2. Okay, so we have our n or we have our n is equal to this. So we have two solutions from here now. So we have n1 is equal to 7 plus the square root of 21 all over 2, and our n2 is equal to 7 minus the square root of 21 all over 2. All right, so we're considering these two solutions now. Okay, now that we've gotten the value for our n1 and n2, so let's recall our equation 3. So from here we'll say recall that our m is equal to 7 minus n. Remember, this is our equation 3, right? Okay, so we're going to put in the value of our n1 into this place. Remember the value of n1, which is this. This is our n1, so what to put in the value to this. So this will now give us here our m1 will now be equal to 7 minus the 7. Let's put this in bracket plus the square root of 21 close bracket all over 2. We then look for the LCM because here is all over 1. So the LCM is 2, and so this will give us here 2. Then we use 1 to divide this, will give us 2. Say 2 times 7 will give us 14. We have 14 here, minus, here we have 7 because 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. 1 times everything here will still give us this. So we're going to have here minus 7, then minus the square root of 21 all over 2. Okay, so if we simplify this from this will give us 7 and minus the square root of 21 all over 2. So this is our M1. Yeah, so we've gotten the value for our M1. We go ahead and look for our M2. So we have same procedure here. M2 is equals to 7 minus N2. Then this is going to give us 7 minus, remember our N2, look at our N2 here, this is our N2. So this is going to give us here, bracket 7 minus the square root of 21 close bracket all over 2. We look for the LCM again, this will now give us here our 14 minus, this will give us 1, so topping up will give us minus 7, then plus root 21. But we use this minus to times this minus, everything all over 2. Then if we factorize down, this will give us 7, then plus the square root of 21, then all over 2. So this is our M2. Okay, so we calculated for the value of M and N that will satisfy this math problem. Okay, this is our M2, this is our M1, and again here we have our N2 and our N1 that satisfy this original equation, which is this. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, give the video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, do yourself that favor by subscribing. Okay, we love you, all of us at Map Prowess. Stay connected. Bye.